Hi everyone, I hope you guys are pumped for your interviews. And as you all know that I had my GIM interview on the 16th in Delhi, and I thought I'll just quickly update you guys about my experience. I know that I am 2 days late, but I just got back home and I just got the time to shoot the experience. So here I am. So basically, what happened was we were first we entered the hall that was assigned to us. Then we were asked for our attendance. Then we were asked to get our documents verified, and then we all got panel numbers. So I got my panel number 8, and I got at the venue at around 1:40. Yeah, I got around at 1:40, and you can see that my interview was taken around 3:30 to 4ish, between that. So I entered the panels room and I greeted them. They asked me to sit down. Then the first question they asked me was, tell me about yourself. So I told them about myself, like little bit of myself, where I am from, and from where I have done my graduation and all. Then there were two panelists, right? So the first panelist asked me that he asked me some questions related to economics, because I did my masters in economics. So he asked me some questions like, tell me about what is economies of scale, economies of scope. Then he asked me that in India, how many insurances do we get. Then he particularly asked me like, which insurance does LIC issues. So like I kind of answered all of, like most of them, I would say. I did. He also asked me that what is diminishing marginal return, something like that. And um, while I was recalling the answer, he skipped that question and moved to the next one. Then that was it from the second panelist. He asked me a few questions on the economics. Then something strange happened. Okay, I'm not sure what exactly happened. I was just blanked out and I was not prepared for this. So now the first interview panelist was very sweet, smiling, making eye contact, really nice, making me feel comfortable, because I was definitely panicking. And the second panelist was, I think, a professor, and he was not smiling, he was not making an eye contact, he was just doing something in his laptop. And it definitely like I definitely got little scared watching him. But okay, so then he starts discussing he discussed two things, and it was out of syllabus. I was not prepared for it, honestly. Then he looked, first question he asked me was, so I know your I have seen your professional achievements, I know your academic achievements, tell me something about your personal achievement. आई वॉज लाइक ओके. तो मैंने क्या किया, मैंने जो भी अपनी अचीवमेंट प्रिपेयर की थी उसी को ही मिला जुला के पर्सनल को बना दिया. देन ही वॉज लुकिंग एट माई डॉक्यूमेंट्स, एंड देन ही सेज, you are a senior associate and you have done so much work. I feel you are not rightly compensated. So have you raised this question in your company, or what are you doing about it? Or did you just compromise with your salary because they were giving work from home? I was not prepared for it. I did not know what to say at this point. So yeah, matlab, I did say eventually, but I'm not sure if this made my interview go down. Like, I don't know. Then the third thing he asked was, uh, not asked, he mentioned that I feel that you have already done your master's. Like, he did not say it directly, but I could understand what he wanted to say. So he said that your profile is actually suitable for our PhD equivalent program. I can't remember the name that he took, but he said that we have a program at GIM which is equivalent to PhD, and you will get this 4 years of stipend and with stay and all. So why don't you consider that? I feel you are more suitable for that profile. And मतलब he was saying a lot of things, like they were discussing आपस में कि हाँ इतना स्टाइपेंड मिलता है ना, 4 साल का प्रोग्राम, like they were discussing and in my head I was thinking कि मैं क्या आंसर करूँ. तो मतलब so I did say that I'm not inclined towards research, but right now I want to be in consulting companies, and I see myself as in leadership roles. And then उस पे he countered कि you can pursue this course, and इसमें भी you will get into consultancy. R&D is so much better, and you are such a fit, like बेस्ट फिट फॉर दिस. एंड वहाँ पे मतलब आई डिड रिप्लाई कि मैं नहीं इंक्लाइंड हूँ, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, बट आई डोंट नो इफ दैट broke that for me. So overall I would say that काफ़ी मुझे तो एज सच ग्रिल नहीं किया उन्होंने. मुझे तो ये आखिरी की जो 2-3 चीज़ें इन्होंने पूछी, दैट आई फेल्ट they just wanted to know how calm, composed and how directed I am. I'm not sure कि इसकी वजह से मेरे को स्पॉट ऑफर नहीं मिला. लाइक I did not got the spot offer. They just suggested me कि तुम ये वाला प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन कर लो, and that is it. That was it. So I'm not sure कि क्या गलत हुआ इसमें, because I was able to handle all those basic questions that everyone prepares, but I was not ready for this part जो सेकंड पैनलिस्ट ने पूछा. सो आई वुड से कि तुम लोग देख सकते हो मेरे एक्सपीरियंस से, थोड़ा सा अपने आप को उस हिसाब से भी प्रिपेयर कर लो कि व्हाट इफ़ दे ऑफर यू सेकंड ऑप्शन कि ये तुम्हारे लिए बेटर है, इसको तुम इसके साथ क्या करोगे, या फिर दे वांट टू तुम्हारे कोर में घुस के बोलना है कि तुम्हारी सैलरी तो कम है, तुम उसके लिए कुछ कर रहे हो कि नहीं. सो आई फील वो लोग एज अ पर्सन तुम्हें जानना चाहते हैं, हाउ क्लियर यू आर, क्या डायरेक्शन है तुम्हारा, कहीं तुम डायरेक्शन लेस तो नहीं हो. क्योंकि आई फेल्ट कि मे बी उनको लगा हो कि मैंने मास्टर्स किया, देन वाई आई वांट टू परस्यू MBA, बट उन्होंने मुझसे डायरेक्टली नहीं पूछा. दे आस्क्ड मी इसी के फॉर्म में कि तुम ये वाला प्रोग्राम क्यों नहीं कर लेती हो, विच इज़ अराउंड फाइनेंस ओनली. तो आई थिंक that was it. And of course this was my first interview, but it definitely broke me so much. मतलब मैं 2 दिन तक सिर्फ इसके बारे में सोचती रही कि क्या मैंने गलत बोल दिया, क्या मैं बेटा बोल सकती थी. एंड आई रियली वॉन्टेड टू मेक दिस वीडियो थोड़ा सा पहले, ताकि तुम लोगों को थोड़ा बेटर पिक्चर मिल सके. बट आई डिड रिप्लाई टू everyone who texted me, so आई होप दैट हेल्प यू गाइज. अबाउट द डॉक्यूमेंट्स एक जल्दी से मैं लिस्ट बता देती हूँ. सो बाय द वे वी कैन डू अ सेपरेट स्टोरी टाइम. दिस वॉज इवेंटफुल, बट आई फॉरगॉट माई आधार गाइज. मैंने 2 वीडियोज़ बनाई हैं कि तुम लोग को क्या क्या रखना चाहिए, और मैं आधार भूल गई हूँ. आई फॉरगॉट माई आधार, लाइक व्हाट. ओके, सो यू नीड योर आधार, देन यू नीड योर 10th-12th ग्रेजुएशन, पे स्लिप चाहिए अगर यू हैव लेफ्ट योर जॉब, पे स्लिप एंड एक्सपीरियंस लेटर. आई वॉज वर्किंग, सो द people who were doing the document verification, they were I think the students of the GIM only, so they did not ask me anything. They just asked me my 10th-12th graduation degree, last semester mark sheets for MCom BCom, and she asked me कि कोई भी मुझे 2 achievements दिखा दो जो तुमने इसमें लिखे हैं, like any 2 achievements. So she just asked me all of these, and I think पैनलिस्ट वर कॉलिंग माई नेम कि इसको भेज दो, इसको भेज दो. तो आई थिंक कि काफ़ी हरी प्रोसेस था मेरे लिए, काफ़ी रश था, बट दे आर आस्किंग दिस ओनली, एंड आई डोंट थिंक यू गाइज नीड एनीथिंग एल्स. और हाँ, अपने फ़ोन में GIM एप्लीकेशन खोल लेना, अगर चाहो तो प्रिंट आउट करा के लेके जा सकते हो, बट अगर नहीं है प्रिंट आउट, नो नीड टू वरी, अपने पोर्टल में GIM को लॉगिन कर लेना. एंड पे स्लिप्स अगर नहीं निकलवाई हैं तो जो भी तुम्हारा ऐप है उसको हैंडी रखना कि इन केस दे आस्क यू द पे स्लिप, ऑलरेडी सब कुछ लॉग्ड इन हो, एंड यू जस्ट शो देम कि हाँ ये चीज़ है. सो या, आई ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा था, सही था. आई डेफिनेटली गॉट टू लर्न कि हाउ बेटर आई कुड आंसर. दिस वॉज माई फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस, सो डू नॉट लेट दिस ब्रेक यू. ओके, बाय, ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू ऑल.